at Devil's Tower. We're gonna do a day hike around the base of Devil's Tower. I'm not sure, I'll find out when I get there, I guess, but I think it's only like a mile and a half, so it'll be a quick one, but at a very beautiful place, national monument. Let's go, let's get closer. All right, hello from Devil's Tower. I'm on the Tower Trail. It's gorgeous out here. The trail is paved, I didn't realize that, but kind of nice bonus, I guess. Yeah, I'm out of breath. I had to climb up a bunch of boulders to get up here. But at the end of the trail, there's a whole bunch of boulder. It's a big boulder field that people are climbing all over. Might have to check that out. All right, let's go. This whole area looks like there was a fire not too long ago. There's a little spot here with binoculars and a sign. It says back in like the 1840s, people were the first people to climb this. And they used little wooden ladders that they made and put them in the cracks and climbed all the way up to the top. Insane. Here's some of the boulder fields I'm talking about. There's already people up there bouldering. Well, that concludes our hike of Devil's Tower National Monument. So, I am at a little place in North Dakota called the Center of the Nation. I'm walking down a path with all the state flags. And then I believe this is the geographical center of the country. Right here. Cool. Yeah. Belle Fourche, South Dakota. Geographic center of the nation.